Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name's Jay. Today, we're going to dive deep into one of the 4 pillars of the partner visa application, the financial aspect of your relationship. This is a topic that can cause a lot of uncertainty for couples. How much do you need to show? What if you don't have a joint bank account or own a house together? We're going to cover all of that today and give you some practical tips. Now, before we get into the details, a quick disclaimer. The information in this video is for general guidance only, and it's not legal advice. Every couple's situation is unique, so for advice tailored to your circumstances, it's always a good idea to speak with an immigration lawyer. So what is the Department of Home Affairs actually looking for when they assess the financial side of your relationship? In simple terms, they want to see that you have a level of financial interdependence. And it's not about how much money you have in the bank. It's about how you manage your financial lives together. They're looking for evidence that you share financial commitments and responsibilities. There is no single right way for a couple to manage money, and the department understands this. The goal is to paint a clear picture of your shared financial life, whatever that looks like for you. This is probably the most common question we get. Is a joint bank account essential? While a joint account that's actively used for income and shared expenses is a very helpful piece of evidence, it's not an absolute deal breaker. However, if you don't have one, the responsibility is on you to provide other strong evidence. You'll need to show how you share costs. For example, you can demonstrate a clear pattern of regular money transfers from one person to the other for bills or savings. Your relationship statements are vital here. You need to explain your system clearly. For instance, I pay the rent from my account and my partner transfers their half to me on the 1st of every month. They pay for our weekly groceries and I cover the electricity and internet bills. And then you provide the bank statements that back up this exact pattern. Another very common situation is for younger couples or those in the earlier stages of their life together who don't have a mortgage or large joint investments. The department knows that shared finances look different at different life stages. The focus shifts to your day-to-day financial life. You can show things like regular contributions to shared saving account for a future goal, like a holiday or a car, or you can show that one of you covers certain household bills while the other handles different ones. Again, use your relationship statements to explain your situation. Talk about your plans for the future. Perhaps you're actively saving for a house deposit. Explain that and provide evidence of your savings. Many couples apply while living in different countries. This can make showing shared finances seem tricky, but it's absolutely possible. The key is to show that you operate as a financial unit as much as you can despite the distance. Evidence can include regular money transfers from one partner to support the other, and you can document this carefully. Contributions to shared goals, like saving for your future home in Australia, and records of shared expenses for when you visit each other, like flights, accommodation, and so on. And in your statements, you must detail how you intend to combine your finances once you're living in Australia together. Will you open a joint account? How will you manage household bills? Be specific about your future plans. Now, I've mentioned relationship statements a few times, and I can't overstate the importance for this pillar. Don't just upload a pile of bank statements and hope for the best. You need to provide the story that connects them. Use your statement to explain how you manage your money. Explain the reasoning behind your setup, and outline your future financial plans together in Australia. Your statement gives context to the evidence and makes your application much clearer to the case officer. So to sum up, demonstrating the financial aspect of your relationship is about showing a genuine commitment to a shared life. Be thorough, be organized, and use your statements to tell your unique story. Each couple's financial situation is different, and getting this part of the application right is fundamental. If you're looking at your own evidence and feeling unsure, or you want to understand how your circumstances fit with what the department's looking for, we are here to help. My name's Jay, and with over 80 years dedicated to Australian migration law, I've seen how varied and unique every couple's financial story is. Getting the right guidance can make a big difference in a partner visa. You're welcome to visit us at Flow Migration Law. The link is in the description. and you can book a free 20-minute discovery call to get started. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Australian partner visa insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.